Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Essence Advent Calendar. I've never had opened an Advent Calendar on my channel before, so this is going to be really fun. So let's just get into it. This one is number 1. Did I take this out? Okay. Oh, cool. It says, mornings take a little more coffee and a lot more mascara. Yes, I have to agree. Inside we have, the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. Oh, I've never tried this before, so that's cool. Number 2, it says, when in doubt, just add glitter. Oh, how cute! It's a little nail polish. Essence Happy Snow. A season to sparkle. Hi, honey. You want me to paint your claws, huh? Morris, get away from that. Get up. Thank you. So this is the little nail polish. That's so cute. This looks like a nice box. Shape it till you make it. Some mini glitter nail files, so that's cute. Yeah. Your face is my favorite thing to look at. This is the Essence Kajal pencil in number 8 Teddy. So is that's a pencil. Mom will like that. Here's the color. It is great for glitter. Some Essence Jewelry nail stickers. 25 pieces, so that's cute. Says, you highlight my life. Oh. This is Essence Spread the Magic Baked Metallic Highlighter in, does it say what shade? No. It doesn't say the shade. There's the color right there. That's cute. Good nails, good mood, good day. So I'm guessing we get another nail polish, which I'm not mad at. Another little mini polish called Santa Baby. It's nice red. That's cute. When in doubt, put red lipstick on. So this is obviously going to be a red lipstick. Believe in the power of lipstick. Essence. Have a shade name. It's a velvet matte. So there's the lipstick. It's pretty. Here's number 9. I love the shape of you. This is an Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Going Steady. So there's the lip liner. That's nice. I don't make someone happy today. Six gift tags. Okay, I could use those. That's fine. Dream, believe, achieve. Beautiful nails. Another nail polish. This is Naughty or Nice. Never stop believing. Believe in magic little bracelet. Cute. 15 is Relax, Baby. Let the Magic Begin Bath Bomb. I don't do baths, but it might be a nice gift for someone. Oh, so you can see, because Morris was in the way, this was the Essence Eyebrow Designer in blonde. And this is the hand cream. Did you guys see the little bracelet? Bracelet and the gift tags? Okay. Okay. And it says, do what makes your soul shine. Another nail polish. Holly Jolly Christmas. Looks pretty. May your day be as flawless as your makeup. Essence Oil Control Paper. Okay. Blotting sheets. You can always use those. On Kiss Me Darling, so it must be another lipstick. And that's fine. I like lipstick. Color changing lipstick. Color changes immediately. Bleh. Color changing lipstick that immediately turns from black to pink on lips. There's the black. I don't know if you can see. Let's do that and let it sit. Interesting. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Look how beautiful you are. You are magical. Looks like, oh, little pocket mirror. That's cute. Always could use one of those. Well, it says, doing my nails is my cardio. Another nail polish. This is in the shade Ho Ho Ho. Okay. Think happy thoughts. Message stickers. Okay. Nail it today. Really? Another nail polish, I guess. Let's see. This one is Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. more glitter is always an option. Ring and bracelet tattoos. What? Okay. I can't take my eyes off you. Essence eyeshadow palette. Does it have a name? No. And these are the shades. They're pretty. So, is that it? Huh. Okay. So, this on Ulta's website was $45. Was it worth $45 to me? No. I was thinking you might be able to try more stuff in the range, like lipstick and highlighters and blush and little eyeshadow duos, not just nail polish, a bath bomb, a lotion, a bracelet, some nail stickers. What kind of crap is that? I mean, I did get a couple makeup-y things, but they aren't worth $45. I don't recommend this. It's not worth the money. So, yeah, that is my unboxing for the Essence Advent Calendar. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Click subscribe if you have not. We'd love you to join the fam. Click the notification bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.